world's 10 oldest living trees. Number 1. Methuselah. Until 2013, Methuselah, an ancient bristlecone pine, was the oldest known non-clonal organism on Earth. While Methuselah still stands as of 2016 at the ripe old age of 4,848 in the White Mountains of California, in Inyo National Forest. Another bristlecone pine in the area was discovered to be over 5,000 years old. Methuselah and its unnamed senior pine's exact locations are kept a close secret in order to protect them. You can still visit the grove where Methuselah hides, but you'll have to guess at which tree it is. Could this one be it? Number 2. Sarvia bark. Sarvia bark, also called the Zoroastrian sarv, is a cypress tree in Yazd province, Iran. The tree is estimated to be at least 4,000 years old and, having lived through the dawn of human civilization not far away, it is considered an Iranian national monument. Many have noted that Sarvia bark is most likely the oldest living thing in Asia. Number 3. Llangurni yew. This incredible yew resides in a small churchyard of St. Dugane's Church in Llangurni village, North Wales. About 4,000 years old, the Llangurni yew was planted sometime in the prehistoric Bronze Age, and it's still growing. In 2002, in celebration of the Golden Jubilee of Queen Elizabeth II, the tree was designated as one of 50 Great British Trees by the Tree Council. Number 4. Allers. The allers is a common name for Fitzroy cupressoides, a towering tree species native to the Andes Mountains. There's almost no telling how old these trees can get, since most of the larger specimens were heavily logged in the 19th and 20th centuries. Many botanists believe they are the second longest living trees on Earth aside from the bristlecone pine of North America. To date, the oldest known living specimen is 3,646 years old and is appropriately called Grand Abuelo. Number 5. Patriarcha florista. This tree, an example of the species Cariniana legulis named Patriarcha florista in Brazil, is estimated to be over 2,000 years old, making it the oldest non-conifer in Brazil. The tree is believed to be sacred, but its species is widely threatened due to forest clearing in Brazil, Colombia and Venezuela. Number 6. The Senator. Though the Senator suffered tragedy in 2012 after a fire caused much of the tree to collapse, this iconic tree bears mentioning here. Formerly located in Florida, the Senator was the largest bald cypress tree in the United States, and was widely considered the oldest of its species known to exist. It was also likely the largest U.S. tree of any species east of the Mississippi River. Estimated to have been around 3,500 years old, the Senator was used as a landmark for the Seminole Indians and other native tribes. The Senator's size was particularly impressive because it endured many hurricanes, including one in 1925 which reduced its height by 40 feet. The tree got its name from San Emo Overstreet, who donated the tree and surrounding land in 1927. Number 7. Olive tree of Fools. This ancient olive tree is located on the Greek island of Crete and is one of 7 olive trees in the Mediterranean believed to be at least 2,000 to 3,000 years old. Although its exact age cannot be verified, the olive tree of Fools might be the oldest among them, estimated at over 3,000 years old. It still produces olives, and they are highly prized. Olive trees are hardy and drought, disease and fire resistant, part of the reason for their longevity and their widespread use in the region. Number 8. Jomansugi. Jomansugi, located in Yakushima, Japan, is the oldest and largest cryptomeria tree on the island, and is one of many reasons why the island was named a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The tree dates to at least 2,000 years old, but some experts believe it could be older than 5,000 years old. Under that theory, it's possible that Jomansugi is the oldest tree in the world, even older than Methuselah and its brethren. Regardless of the numbers, it's a tree that deserves mention here. Number 9. Chestnut tree of 100 horses. This tree, located on Mount Etna in Sicily, is the largest and oldest known chestnut tree in the world. Believed to be between 2,000 and 4,000 years old, this tree's age is particularly impressive because Mount Etna is one of the most active volcanoes in the world. The tree sits only 5 miles from Etna's crater. The tree's name originated from a legend in which a company of 100 knights were caught in a severe thunderstorm. According to the legend, all of them were able to take shelter under the massive tree. Number 10. General Sherman. Believed to be around 2,500 years old, General Sherman is the mightiest giant sequoia still standing. The volume of its trunk alone makes it the largest non-clonal tree by volume in the world, even though its largest branch broke off in 2006, smashing part of its enclosing fence and cratering the pavement of the surrounding walkway. Perhaps this was a sign that General Sherman could not be caged in? Sherman can be found in Sequoia National Park in California, where 5 of the 10 largest trees in the world exist.